Hello, once again, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. We're going to go back to detailing products that are affordable and make sense. When it comes to Manett's Mega Shine, I stock and use the product here: engine bay, details, wheel wells, tires, interiors. I'd like to talk about three other products from Manett's. We have a tire shine, a glass cleaner, and also a wheel cleaner that I would like to cover today. I hate wasting your time, so let's get right into it. The Manett's Mega Shine, $19.99. We have the tire shine, the wheel cleaner, and the glass cleaner, all three at $14.99. So today we're working on a Porsche that hasn't been cleaned in quite some time, hasn't been back to be maintained since last year. It's been through the winter time. A perfect candidate to test these products. I've been using them for the last few days, and I will show you the cars I worked on with them, and this stuff is absolutely fantastic. Let's start with the wheel cleaner first. Simply douse the whole wheel. The cleaner is strong enough for the harshest conditions, but it is safe enough for all wheels, and even the most sensitive of finishes. 100% safe for raw and polished aluminum. It's not caustic, non-acid, non-hydrofluoric. You just let it dwell for a few minutes, come in, agitate, and rinse. Let me rinse the wheel thoroughly, then I'll grab you guys, bring you in closer for a better look. The wheel cleaner, very effective in the barrel of the wheels, spokes, behind the spokes, wheel calipers, Where the face of the wheel meets the barrel, I missed a little bit of an area. That was user error. Just have to go over the area again. Big difference between the front and back wheel now. The front wheel is nice and bright, so let me quickly take care of the rear wheel. Much better. All right, that's going to take care of the Porsche. And as I mentioned, I have been using it on the last few cars that came in. It's a busy weekend, busy week coming up, so we have a lot of wheels to clean, and it's done everything that I've asked of it so far. I have no complaints. Okay, with the wheels all nice and clean, time to, so to speak, put the cherry on top, and let's break out the Manett's Tire Shine. Just get an applicator, spray into the applicator. It does say to spray onto the tire. I have more control spraying right into an applicator, applying it, and one layer. Let it sit for about 3 minutes or so. If you like the way it looks, just let it go. If you want to kick it back to the way I like it, grab your microfiber, gently drag it along the tire, and that's perfect the way it is. If you want even more gloss, a second round will do. A dry to the touch shine that just puts the finishing touches on this Porsche. That will bring us to the glass cleaner. Even outside in the heat, direct sunlight, user friendly. It is not just a cleaner, it's a protectant. It's perfectly streak free, and it helps prevent fingerprints. And if you bump up against the glass, it's going to be easy to clean. It seals the surface for 90 days to repel water and other liquids. The glass is now clean, streak free, very slick, and the products have helped me clean these last three beauties right here, and I highly recommend. That will bring us to the final thoughts segment of the video. When it comes to the wheel cleaner, guys, as long as you don't have brake dust that's baked on a wheel for years, that will take care of it. It has the perfect balance of not being too overly aggressive, so you could use it on any type of wheel, but it has enough power to break down brake dust and some other grime that could be attached to the wheel. When it comes to the glass cleaner, it doubles up as a cleaner and protectant or repellent. Helps to make fingerprints, and say you leaned up against a car or brushed up against a car in the summertime with your sweaty, oily arm. It'll easily clean off, and it's a very effective product for windows. When it comes to the tire shine, if you like the look that I do, the new tire look, spray it on, let it wait 3 minutes, and then lightly drag a microfiber over the tire to kick it back a little bit. If you like it wet or even wetter, let it sit there and let it go after you put the one layer on, or even add a second layer. Guys, these products, they make sense, they're affordable, and I highly recommend. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Brian from Apex Detail. I'll catch you in the next video.